Additional Deputy Commissioner of South West Garo Hills, AVD Shira, launched a program on black pepper under Spice Mission 2022-23 at Multi-Facility Center, Ampati on the 9th of August 2022 in the presence of SS Karsati, Joint Director of Agriculture of West Garo Hills, and other officials of the District Agriculture Office and the District Horticulture Office of Ampati. Black pepper saplings of high-yielding variety from Kerala were distributed to beneficiaries of the district during the program launched by Office of the District Horticulture Officer of Ampati. A total of 84,800 black pepper saplings will be distributed to 212 beneficiaries of 19 identified villages across the district.